Hi guys, it's
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video with my mum and my brother Bradley.
Hello!
Stop waiting. We're doing the Who Knows Me Best tag, and
Hello!
I feel like he's probably going to win, to be honest.
I hope not.
I doubt it.
I think he will.
I don't want to know too much about you.
No, these are innocent questions, so it's okay.
Oh god.
See now.
Well, now I might lose actually. You might win.
So you guys have a whiteboard each.
It's like Mr. Squiggle.
Man,
No pictures, just...
Oh, now you said that.
Here's Mr. Squiggle.
Careful, I don't know how much glue it rubs out.
Bradley, what are you doing?
Not boobs.
Alright, we're starting the questions finally.
Yay!
Question 1.
One. This is question 1.
If I got a cat, what breed would I get?
I don't know cat breeds.
Oh, I know. They're there.
Have we get your pictures?
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm done.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm drawing a cat now.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
No.
Mum, turn yours over.
Oh, Bradley hasn't finished.
I'm done.
No fur breed. What did you do?
I wrote fuzzy cat.
No.
No fur breed. A sphinx.
A sphinx is the same.
Ew, one of those bald cats.
Have I not shown you?
Yes, you have.
Yeah, I have.
But, so I'm completely off with
You
the
are
fuzzy cat.
completely
I meant cat.
Well, considering you said, what type of cat?
A cat.
Ready?
No?
Yes.
Question number 2.
Mm-hmm.
What is my all-time favourite movie? Turn yours over.
The Grinch.
No.
What? Oh, it's Grease.
Grease.
It's Grease.
Neither of you get a point.
Yes.
What TV series am I watching right now?
Oh, I don't know.
No,
I
you
do. Oh, no.
Mum
Yes.
knows too because I've said it multiple times.
Oh, I don't know how to spell.
It's alright. You need
Say
to
it
stop.
out
You
loud.
need to wait until he's
And
finished.
say it out loud. You turn it around
There's so
and
much
say and read
aggression.
it because you might not be able to read it on the screen. So
Oh.
There's so much aggression on
people
the
read on the phones. Can I go first?
No, stop cheating!
Can I go first?
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, turn your boards around. No one says it yet.
Nashville.
Maths.
Married at first sight.
That's not a TV series.
Isn't it Nashville?
Of course it's a series.
No, that's a reality TV show
But
that's
it's a
finished.
series.
It finished
Well, I
last
don't
week.
watch it.
Am I right?
You are right.
I was down with Dallas.
Nashville's the country one I've been telling you about every time I talk to you.
I literally listen to people when I ask them
That
what
must
they're
be when I'm
watching.
talking to Michael when you talk to me about that.
This, all right. How tall am I in feet?
Ah, you said it before.
I know. I made a point of it.
Alright, I got it.
Don't say anything until Mum
Oh
gets
shit,
time.
maybe it's not that.
Okay, ready? Turn around.
5'7".
And a half. Don't throw it, Bradley. I want to be able to use this again.
I want to
They're
make...
expensive.
No.
What's that?
5'7".
That's a Z. That's an S7. That's...
I guess you guys both get a point, even though
No.
you missed out on my halves.
How many questions are
No,
there?
you know what? You guys get a half a point.
No.
She gets it right.
This is something I
How
have
many
told
questions
you
are there?
guys. I'm not telling you. This is something I have told you guys both lots too, but whether you both listen, I don't know. So if I was to get a white chihuahua, what would I call it? Okay, turn around. Vanilla. Whitey?
Get over here, Whitey.
Lolly.
What?
Lolly.
What Lolly's a
Lolly,
white?
that was it.
Lolly.
I knew it was something like that.
What?
What's
It's
here?
a lollipop.
Marshmallow. Yeah.
Lollipops aren't
Lollipop.
white.
No, but that's what I would call a white one if I was to get it. I've always
That was even before she had honey. She
Yeah.
wrote me this long letter about.
Some would say that's a crap name.
Okay, what is the one thing that annoys me most about myself, personality-wise?
Oh, I was going to say facially.
That could be numerous things.
God,
oh,
yeah.
let's look up there, aren't I?
Yeah, what is the one thing that annoys me so much about myself that is frustrating,
As in personality.
personality-wise?
You friend zone everyone?
You shitty
Mum, you're
mood.
supposed to write it down, not...
I know this is wrong, but this is what bothers me. That's good enough. Why do I have to show the world? No, I'm not happy with my answer. Question again.
What is the one thing that annoys me so much about myself with my personality-wise?
What's wrong with your
There's
personality?
so many.
Do we all make a list? Can we make a list
Sorry,
together?
I'm just like,
I mean, what?
I could think
You
of lots
cannot...
of you go
No,
on
you
about.
can do one thing.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm just going to do it because it annoys me.
I know I'm going to be wrong because I've got several in my mind. I can't
Okay.
Nope, I've changed it again.
That's not really very fair.
Oh, god damn it. What do I want to write? I got it. I've got my question answers. You ready?
Alright. You go.
Do I read it?
Yeah.
Mean. Or stupid. I also wrote stupid.
I'm not mean.
And nasty. But I couldn't figure out
Why do you think I'm mean?
Because you're mean to me.
You're my brother, I'm allowed to be mean. What is yours?
Insecurities. Friends showing boys plus lack self-confidence.
It's kind of friend zoning boys is my commitment issues is my most frustrating thing. Frustrates
You
me.
friend zone.
This
all those
frustrates me more.
Poor people.
This frustrates me more.
I wish I didn't have commitment issues.
I wish you weren't mean.
Well, I think friend zone boys is the
Yeah, I
thing.
think I own it.
I
You
think
can
that
have
falls
half
on
a
it.
point.
No, give her a full
Bloody hell,
point.
that's
Give her a full
Okay,
point,
you get a
fool.
full point.
She got it right.
You
She
did.
just gave, she
The
just
wrong wording.
And-
Okay.
made it.
What do we talk about all the time, Kyralee? You've gone and friend zoned someone.
You say it so
Is that
often.
not what we say? Is that what we say to you?
All
Have
the
you friend
boys.
zoned that person?
Okay. Do yourself a point.
So-
Alright.
Wally.
How old was I when I had my first kiss?
I don't want to know.
I
You
don't
do
know
know.
that. I don't know that.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Never told me once. I don't even know who it was with. Was it with Chrissy? Can't make out the dog. That's
No.
really cute. Do we have to name the person?
No!
We ready?
Yeah, you first. Ew! Ew! Ew!
I was the very first person to kiss you as well.
Ew!
Beat that.
That's not what I was thinking.
I don't care. You said who was the very first person you kissed?
When was the first
Me.
Turn yours around.
1994.
32.
Oh yeah. You both suck.
No.
Yeah,
I
you
answered that correctly.
Now people are going to think you're
No,
32.
Mum.
The very first kiss you got in your whole life ever was on the 23rd of April 1994 when I gave you a kiss.
That's not what I asked.
What boy did you kiss?
When did
When'd
you
you
first
kiss?
get kissed?
When I was 15.
Ew.
When you were born is when you first got kissed.
She's talking about making out.
That's not what she said.
You
She
should have said macking.
Yeah. She said, when did you first get kissed? I'm telling you.
What is my favourite genre of music?
Genre.
Genre?
What is it called?
Genre.
What is it called?
Genre.
Genre?
Kyralee's favourite genre.
Is the worst genre. Alright, I'm done. Country.
Yep, point for both.
But mine's got a little cowboy hat.
Okay.
Which
Point for both.
makes mine better.
Okay. What is my all-time favourite song?
Is it a happy one or is that one? Give us a hint.
What is my all-time favourite song? My all-time favourite song since forever.
I got it, and it's wrong.
Alright, turn yours around.
She didn't even.
Disney song.
Well, there's so many like Ariel and Little Mermaid and all those. You love them. You would have loved Frozen if you could have, which you probably do, but
I don't like the trolls.
Okay, what did you choose?
The banana splits thing.
No.
Na 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 na.
one banana, two banana, three banana, four, five banana, six banana,
seven
seven banana
banana
more.
more.
Why would that be Kyralee's?
Well, what's a Disney song? That's not a song. At least this is the actual song.
Teenage Dirtbag.
That is a shit song, man.
That has always been my favourite song.
That has always been the shittest song and it's not aged well.
How old is Honey and Cookie?
Cookie must. Oh.
Does it have to be in order?
No, well, kind of. Have you got yours?
Yeah!
You're disgusting.
It is so gross.
I'm a good boy. Do we get half a point if we get one
Yes.
of them right?
Alright.
Okay,
I'm looking at myself in the mirror again.
Mum, turn. Bradley, turn.
That's an ampersand.
What is that? 7 and 5?
Yeah.
You both didn't get either right.
How old's Honey?
6.
Well, that's pretty close.
I did have
I'm
6.
sorry, you just aged her like by 20 years.
I'm sorry, she's a fat little old looking dog.
7. What's Cookie?
3.
I had 5.
6 and 3. That's.
I had 7 and 5.
I knew Cookie was.
Oh my god.
Well, I had 7 and 6, but then I'm like, that doesn't seem right.
What is my nickname right now?
No, I don't want to answer that. That sounds like, well, what would it be?
What is my nickname that my friends call me right now?
It's not going to be what it is it? I'm just stuff it. I want to win.
You have an angry look on your face.
I wrote too far right. Zah, Kizar.
Kira.
Ah.
Which I don't know why they do that because your name is Kyralee because it sounds so pretty all put together.
All on Tinder, it's Kira.
Why? Didn't name you Kira. They named you Kyralee.
Because people keep spelling it wrong when it's right in front
Well,
of them.
that's their own stupid fault. Kyralee is a beautiful name. I chose it, I know.
What is my favourite meal? What the hell are you writing?
It's not fair because she writes so much that
does.
you'll eventually get the right answer in it.
Are you doing stuff?
What did I write? What's that say?
Okay.
What
What does that say, Bradley?
What?
I know what it says. Okay.
Alright, turn
Ready?
yours around.
Tongue slop. Tuna slop.
Turn it.
Oh, that's bull.
That is cheating.
Why?
You-
You don't get
Which one was it?
it. Spaghetti bolognese.
But she doesn't get it because she
No,
wrote.
you don't, because it's the last
You
one.
literally wrote just every meal she
No,
eats.
it's the 4
Kyralee
meals
eats
I-
4 meals and you just wrote them all down.
The last 2 times I've been here, she's made me make tuna slop and chicken vegetable soup. I'm saying she likes all of them.
That's great. You're not getting the point.
You don't get all of that.
That's
though.
not fair. I came and I cooked you these.
You just
things.
named everything. That's like name
You cannot
one
get
letter. And
upset because you come and cooked me food while I was sick.
that's like
No, but
Kyralee
what did you
saying.
ask for?
Tuna slop and chicken veggie soup.
Exactly, which generally every time I come
Doesn't mean it's
my.
my favourite food.
Are you telling me it wasn't tongue
It's
slop?
my favourite food that you cook. Spaghetti bolognese has always been my favourite food.
I was going to say
always.
spag.
So next
Everything she
time
thinks is
you
shit.
ask me to cook, don't let it be
No.
chicken vegetable soup.
No,
or
hold
tuna
on.
slop.
Let me explain
It's going
it to
to
you.
be.
Okay, let me explain it to you.
I don't care.
You're
I-
making your own rules.
I
up,
can't
sunshine.
cook
You're
spaghetti
making
bolognese. No, I
your
can't cook tuna slop because we all know what happened last time I cooked it.
We put half a cup of flour
So,
instead of 1 teaspoon.
And you cook really good chicken noodle soup. So that is why when you come, you cook that and I can cook myself spaghetti bolognese.
But you do it out of the jar. Like we can make the real spaghetti bolognese.
But I really
I
like
tried
I've
to
had your
give it-
spag bowl and it's shit.
Well, it's not.
Yeah.
It's
that's-
real bad.
It's a
You
really
made it
bad.
vinaigrette to me. I'm like, oh no.
Did Nana Granddad like it?
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't there. I don't know.
My final question is, what's in my pocket?
No one wants to know what's in your
No.
pocket.
What's in my pocket? I've been crying.
Osmos. Osmos.
Oxmas. Merry Oxmas to you.
Is this really the final question?
I can't wait.
But what's it going to be, Kyralee?
What is my favourite restaurant?
Kingsley's! Oh, I was supposed to write it.
That's not a restaurant. Kyralee doesn't count that as a restaurant because she's an idiot.
What is my favourite restaurant?
I'm so excited, Bradley. How are you?
I couldn't be more excited, Melinda. How are you?
You can't call me Melinda.
I did not call you Melinda.
No, it's...
Hey,
it's
Mel.
really good.
Kyralee, are we up to the final question?
Yes.
Because this is taking
Alright,
forever.
turn your questions around.
I'm waiting till Mum's done it.
No, I just...
Oh, just turn it around at the same bloody time.
What's it say?
Well, Kyralee and I've gone there twice. It's at Darling Harbour. It's an Italian place. And actually we went there 3 times. Because we went for your 18th birthday and had
What's it
cocktails
say?
with
Bailey
Bayer?
Indian.
Bayer? Italian at Darling Harbour. Remember we went and had the first cocktails
No, Mum,
after we went
we've been there 4 times.
4?
Hello.
We went there 2 nights in a row.
Hello, my name is Bradley Sarah and I'm about to show you my question. It says ginger and spice.
That does not say ginger.
That's the
How did you guys
answer.
get this wrong?
Is it Kingsley's?
Well,
No.
yeah.
Sizzlers!
That's a shitty restaurant.
That is so always been
that
my
you haven't
favourite
eaten at.
restaurant.
You know it's not in Sydney anymore.
No, I know, it's in Queensland though.
What is it going to be?
I'll be back.
Give me the answer. Give me the answer to the question and I'll win it.
Alright, so you guys really suck at this game.
Who wins?
Mum.
What?
Mum was on 4.5 and you're on 2.5.
Ah, do you have any proof of that though?
And that is out of 10 questions.
So what's the
You didn't,
outcome?
ask, you didn't ask the nitty gritty questions that we both
Yeah, I was
did,
expecting the really gross
They're
ones.
like, they were really tame that we don't even know.
Yeah,
we
who
don't
gives a
know
shit
the
about
normal
that?
I'm not
stuff
gonna
about
type
you.
I'm not gonna put nitty gritty on YouTube.
No, but they're what we know. They're what you talk to us about. We know everything we shouldn't know about you. And
You
then
don't know what you should know.
Which are like 7 years in the past.
Yeah, most of the things you talk about are the awful nitty gritty bits that we don't want to know about. And we know.
So, have you not been to a restaurant or anything since Sizzlers?
How
I
am I meant
have
to know
this.
you wanted a naked cat?
Everyone knows I want a naked
Well,
cat.
I knew she was.
But they're weird looking.
Mum is the winner.
Did
Mum
you get a present?
got 4.5, you got 2? No. And it was a lie. You don't
I'm
actually
happy I lost.
Your present is me.
Hey Kyralee, you.
Your present is me, and you're disappointed because you didn't get most of the questions right, which you should have because you're my mum.
So can we push her down the stairs?
Yeah, but they're 7 years old.
You're my mum.
They're still the same as what I was always. I've always stayed the same. When do I change with anything?
Oh, I'm sorry, I change as I get older.
I'm sorry that's you and not me. I feel like you guys are just party poopers because you're upset that you didn't get it right.
I'm
As I
really
said,
happy I
you
lost.
I think you just tell us too much other information.
We know all the horrible shit, which you don't.
Which we were wondering how we were going to answer it, being PG on this.
Oh, the horrible shit that Kyralee
But
tells
you
us
didn't
we
give
can't
us that.
say.
You threw us under the bus with normal things. Like, you're not normal.
Yeah, you're
How
not a
do we
normal
know how to
person.
answer normal questions. about-
Pretending to be a normal human
Yeah,
being.
you should have these
Not a
conversations
horribly
that we
messed
have
up
with
creature.
Alright, well,
Right.
Mum is the winner. Bradley has lost it. Actually, like, totally lost it. And
Hail Satan.
Maybe we should get people to comment on your thing. Is that what they do?
Like, scribes and scoops comments.
And actually get Kyralee to ask Kyralee some questions that she has to answer.
Not
I'm
that thing
a very private person. Just when it comes to you two, I'm not.
which has stuffed us up totally for this competition.
You've
If
gone
this
and asked
was
us like a
what
normal
was the
person
worst thing
question.
I've done in the last week, we could probably
I'm
both...
sorry you guys don't know the normal stuff. That's not my fault. Alright, well, that is the end of it. I am never going to have these two in the same video together ever.
Hi, I'm Bradley.
Enjoyable.
This has not been enjoyable
This has
at
been
all.
the best experience of
This
your
has been
life.
like 100 times
great.
longer than it should have ever been.
Like and subscribe.
Yes,
Keep
Mother.
commenting up those bumps and hit that bell and ring the ding-a-ding. You got yourself some groovy answering to do. I have a question for you. What's your favourite in your pocket? What's in your pocket? Please answer that. Please answer what's in your pocket. Hashtag what's in your pocket. Hit that bell, ring a ding ding. Subscribe, like and comment. Love you lots. It's me, Kyralee, and Bradley, and Malumba. I love you lots.
Good night.
Good night.